Okay, hello, I'm Jonathan, welcome back to the Pranking Corner. I would say long time no see, but I do lie. This video is going right up into the last one. And so let's see what there is for us to do around here. It doesn't look like there's a lot. Oh, but there is something. Okay, alright, there's a quest here that we can go for. Oh, this is the one that sent me back into the factory. Oh no. Okay. It's fine and dandy. It's fine and dandy. Like, why did he think that show the current location is a good idea? I'll never understand that. By the way, you're here, the quest is here. No, just do what Hogwarts Legacy does. Give me nice lines to follow. Unless you're making it a riddle and make it a fun one. You know, like... Yeah.
Thank you. That hound had us scared half to death.
Yes, I should do this off camera. I know, I'm curious. We're getting closer on this guy, but like, the use unique ability, I'm beginning to think I don't know what that means, use unique ability inside of things. It should mean first use one ability, then another, but like, they're not giving me credit for it, ever. It said 1 of 10 for the last 38 years. I don't get it. It's annoying, slightly, but it isn't really.
Wymer was singing your praises earlier.
Don't go taking midnight walks through Scrap Boulevard.
The guy who lives over there's got a real heart on. If it isn't the Merc, what is it?
Take a picture, why don't you?
Me and my partner in Sector 5 are talking about adoption lately. We're seriously considering it.
There's this one dude in the watch who's like a genius cat whisperer. I wish I could conversate with the little
What do you guys want to get ready? You shouldn't be fine. What are you guys doing? Yeah,
we're having friends and family over.
Awesome.
Cooking a lot of stuff.
Awesome.
Not me personally, but
firsthand?
Yeah. There's a veggie lasagna, ham, mac and cheese, all homemade.
I forget. Are you in the pro camp or anti-camp?
Pro.
I thought so. Wasn't sure.
I only have it but once or twice a year, but yeah, it's pro.
You like ham and pineapple pizza, right?
Well, I'm not against it.
Ah.
I prefer other cold cuts with the pineapple.
Just me or there more streets these days?
That's intriguing. Like turkey and pineapple?
Like pepperoni and pineapple, sausage and pineapple.
Oh my gosh. So both ham and pineapple, two unconventional toppings, would technically make garbage pail pizza so you're complete. That's right.
I guess.
Like, I like unconventional pizzas for those of you who don't know. Rich considers them quote unquote garbage.
It is the only garbage pail pizza I love.
He's a loafer, you know.
There's this one dude in the watch.
But now I don't get it with meat. I get it with pineapple and jalapeno.
I wish I could conversate with him.
That's a fruit basket. I like it.
It's amazing.
Okay, which reminds
Nice
me,
young girl who
what
lived next door ran off in the
what
night.
things do you out there like that you
Like
consider
that
unconventional?
boyfriend of
Like,
hers. She even
somewhat
stopped at
recently,
the door saying,
like last year, not very recently, I discovered I like jelly. Baby kangaroo. Not even kidding. You can if you want to, but don't knock until you try it.
Where'd you get it?
Scott got it. I forget where he got it from.
I've had Joey jerky.
That's what it was.
Oh yeah, they have it at the jerky store.
Ah, simple then.
Yeah, it's good.
What canned goods will I
I've
get?
had bugs too.
Got a solid system.
Yeah,
Good idea to start.
Oh, I was gonna ask.
Competitive village.
I was gonna ask you what Boy Scout thing. I guess not.
Do you think you're stronger than the
One
people
of
in
the
the
Outlaw
neighborhood
girls who got
watch?
cast in the Sector 8
Jonathan,
production sent me tickets to protect her.
Look, Kim, good. Didn't she send money back home on the regular? And then she gets it.
It's only
Nothing
true.
lets you sleep a wink tonight.
Your
Candy coated pork
snoring keeps
was
me
good.
up every night.
Or I'm probably good at roasting, actually.
Probably slow roasted in a crock pot.
Yeah, because it's kind of like ham.
Yeah.
Thinking I might join in one of those Walmart
In fact,
games.
D&D
Make us a
vendors probably
fortune.
commonly eat it. They're gonna talk about it. They get their rations from
You'll
all
get
Yeah,
yourself
yeah.
I try.
That would be amazing with that backdrop, actually.
I don't think it's trail mix.
You're on a hunt to collect orc meat for your next village.
Piece of me?
They don't want you to take it. Surprise.
Yeah, that is a good one. What's that?
You can thank the trains for that.
Jakey, my cousin is actually last night started a D&D campaign.
Hey, you're kidding.
Nah,
That's awesome.
you know, online of course, giving away their works, but
That's awesome.
and he's joining the campaign like we used to expound around.
Yeah.
You know, it's interesting though. Sometimes, different topic. I hope it goes well for him.
Him and friends or just him?
Him and friends.
Nice.
Well, he's friends with one.
Yeah.
You know, kind of like me and well, I reference to what he's doing good to. Me and Monty went to a Star Wars campaign once.
Oh.
Yeah. So I was gonna say it's kind of like that, but then Irby took me to that, not you. So,
I remember talking about.
Yeah, it was less than stuff.
Yeah. That's why I started thinking
Sector
it.
8 ladies might have to take refuge
Yeah.
here. If that happens,
Actually,
I'll be able
oh, that's right. At the beginning of Silent Rhymes, he took. Yeah, I forgot actually.
We went over to Bluebell.
Yeah.
If the planet's a
Different
living
topic.
And that
we
dude
should be
was
learning
like,
more about it. Are you
He was
serious?
a bounty hunter.
Yeah.
What?
Or
You
was
think it's
that
all a
was
hoax or something?
was it the bounty hunter you're talking about? Or
I
was
don't
it?
know. Some dude was like so. He was always like, "Let's get him," you know, no matter what.
Yeah. Yeah, there were a couple like that actually.
I forget his name. Right? He was a Ragnar or something like that.
Oh, Radigar.
Radigar, yeah.
Everyone hated him to the one where you could. He tried to name the party after himself. But it was
Yeah.
a lie. He tried to name them Radigar.
Yeah.
The DM in live was a bounty hunter. An honest to God bounty hunter. IRL. I wonder what he's doing these days.
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
They know that.
I didn't say his name. I used it several times, but you are keeping me up about the whole doxing thing. About
Yeah. You have to be careful.
Yeah. Hey. Like, I guess that segues me into the next topic here. I used to think I was a good kind of solo life
You should be
player.
learning more
Like,
about it. Are you
I feel like I can
serious? What?
spinning a yarn sometimes, but like the beginning of my previous video was like the how did it air? Like, I always feel so. I guess I do kind of need somebody on weights with me. What do you think about that? Like,
Sometimes. I think most times you're fine. You're good, you know?
oh,
But everybody needs assistance once in a while. Plus, it's kind of the on brand for your channel.
I think we all know that.
I guess that is kind of a good
Our
hype.
daughter deserves
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to. Most of it happens because I'm trying to see where.
I don't have
figure out
any.
where I'm
Right.
going, which is.
Actually, I think it's important that you don't edit most of them out. I mean, if it's interfering with
Glad we
flow
no longer
of
have a rat
your
problem.
delivery, then
Still don't have power.
Well, at least we know who to blame. If
Glad we no longer have a rat problem.
I wonder what's going on. There's no better way to
Right.
unwind after a
Again.
day's work than a drink at
Why
7.
are you not using the headphones?
Alright, I can forget.
Maybe I can use my headphones.
Next time.
Because I've gotten
Glad
things
we no
about
longer
what-
have a rat problem.
vocal white on his bed. Maybe I should be using them. But like, maybe I should get them to like.
Yeah, we'll give it a run.
Glad we no longer have a rat problem.
When's the bar open for me?
Thanks to the
Oh,
awesome
no.
new market
I
down
was
here,
about to say
everyone's
we-
favorite item shop is better than ever. Don't be a stranger, shop
I'm the
on
only
us.
Somebody ought to take somebody who snips the bone.
That's not something that happens every day. although it kind of is, and I hate it.
We won't be getting any more shipments until the trains.
Well, if it isn't
No, I'm just
Tief,
looking at the waypoint and finding the wall. I'm not looking for the cloud zone.
glad we no longer have a rat problem.
A husky guy and a lean guy, but it doesn't matter. All you need to know is they both.
You can't hide forever, Apple. Come on, give me a...
I've landed right in front of you.
Money if we strip this thing for
Walkers by you.
space,
They
man.
all live in this town.
I'm game as long as it buys us around.
That's the worst.
Are some games more challenging than others?
Genre-wise, yes. And map-wise, yes. So totally. Basically, if it's like a shooter, which Hogwarts Legacy technically is, that's on the more challenging side, but it's very puzzling right now. So but we've seen some of that. We've seen mini fights. That's kind of challenging stuff. If it's melee based, it's easier. But like games with a good map system like this has are usually fine. But like I don't. Well, I know why I'm struggling here. But they don't like the word count. The dots here show where I've been, not where I need to go. Like, you know, like the thing that makes Hogwarts Legacy a lot easier for me is the fact that that will always give me kind of breadcrumbs to follow. At least usually. When we all got the room in that game, not so much. But at that point, the literal waypoint, like the arrow that says you're 26 meters away, is always present. So even then, it's easy to find stuff. Gotcha. Which allows me to focus on the music a little bit forward. But usually, you get 100 bits per bit.
Seriously?
At least I
I'm sorry, but it's outside our jurisdiction. Show some spine.
I know, yes,
Sir, ma'am, don't leave at once. I will be forced to arrest you.
Oh, yeah? Go ahead.
And I hear that makes sense.
Tifa, you won't believe this. A cerulean drake flew in from the train graveyard, but these two clowns refused to get up their butts and do anything about it. Hey, is that? It is you, the new Merc.
Oh, I should have
Then maybe you can help
before
us
I
out.
do this.
The drake is in the old Telegraph factory over there. But to reach it, you'll need to get a hold of a watch security key. You should be able to find one inside one of the crates. I forget which. Just smash them all.
Yeah, that's right. We have to go into the factory we were at earlier for the drakes, and then find the magic one with the key in it. I'm sure this won't take forever. Oh, God.
I heard it was Avalanche who bombed the
Now,
reactor.
next one. There we go.
Yeah, I know this bombing screwed me over something fierce.
I saw it first. Got it?
Oh, this one too.
Guess we hit the jackpot today.
The part I'm looking for is so can't be too much less.
Sneak in and the watch will be mad at you.
I'm so scared. Are they actually letting people in there now? The part I'm looking for has to be somewhere in the train graveyard. I know it.
Recently, a rather aggressive monster from the train graveyard took up residence nearby.
Oh, I
It ain't the Merc himself.
Area should exercise caution.
Interesting that you're playing like a really insular character, like completely in the background.
Recently, a rather aggressive monster from the train
Oh,
graveyard took up residence
Several
nearby.
times he has like
Everyone in the immediate area should exercise caution.
And oh great.
I think they're saving the planet or whatever.
The part I'm looking for has to be somewhere in the train graveyard.
Recently, a rather aggressive monster from the train graveyard took up residence nearby. Everyone in the immediate area should exercise caution.
You working?
Working hard or working Let's see. Am I anywhere close to my objective? Is this the correct entrance? I'm not sure that it is. Oh god, I don't want to go the wrong way. I know, if there's no fractures, there shouldn't be any keys or alarms. No, I'm not seeing more. No, that's not the factory code. That answers the question. See, if you think it's the one, you answer the question. It happens.
Recently, a rather aggressive monster from the train graveyard took up residence nearby.
The part I'm looking for. That mercenary killed all the fiends that it...
Sneak in and the watch will be mad at you.
I'm so scared.
Have you, like, I know you used to program Rich.
Yeah.
Did you ever think about making a game?
No, I never got advanced enough in the program to do that. I was just making forms and actionable buttons. Spreadsheets.
Now, the map says I can go this way, but the only battle engines I see is like, where that key is.
The part I'm looking for has to be somewhere in this...
Yeah, I'm curious of where that's coming from. That's the whole way. So let's come back over here. Boxes.
All the fiends that had settled in the abandoned buildings. We're good to go.
I think they're saving the planet or whatever, but all they're doing is killing mid.
I wish there was labels of battle. Don't make it so much easier. So you know, oh gee, this is where I'm supposed to be going, or it's not. You know, usually they're good at that.
Hey, this one could be worth a lot. Whatever it's worth, we're
I
splitting it.
wish we could shut off the background.
I know.
That's running by and
We can't thank you enough, Merc.
I don't think you can.
I had the dialogue.
Yeah, not the story dialogue, but like the main stuff, like the side stuff that you get as you walk past people. I don't think you can though, and I'm actually so sure that you can.
I guess we hit the jackpot today.
You're looking for that. But
I'm gonna
you can help.
be
My objective is that green thing there.
Yeah.
Hey, this one could be worth a lot. Whatever it's worth, we're splitting it. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
We could go scavenging again. Can't be too much left, but it's better than nothing. I'll check it out. We can't thank you enough, Mark.
I heard it was avalanche. Yeah.
I mean, that would make sense.
There's no 14 there, huh?
No 14 can't operate, then bring it. You should be able to go right through this.
All they're doing is killing
The watch supposedly hired him. What I'm looking for is somewhere in the train graveyard. I know it.
Sneak in and the watch.
Recently, a rather aggressive monster from the train graveyard took up residence nearby. Everyone
If it ain't the
in
Merc
area
himself.
should exercise
Yeah, they're in the gun. It's his arm. But nobody else in the party has his gun. And at least we found the battle. How far are we in? I don't want to stop here.
18 minutes.
We're still good.
Yeah.
But like, now we're on the hunt for boxes, so that's fine. But it looks like I'm going away from the objective here a little bit. This mess, we don't know what it's. Oh, it does. No, it is a factory. Yay. I'm not scared in the same way anymore. Now I'm just looking for boxes.
Apparently a lot of people have asked if you can shut off the background chatter and then you can.
Yeah. Thank you much. You know what? Actually, we will pause the recording soon because this is just going to be me looking for boxes. I don't think so.
Pause, you're in.
I was just thinking that the proper way to signpost for this quest is not to just let me know when these stacks stand. The proper way to signpost is to show all the potential boxes and just not tell you which one is right. So you might get lucky, you might end up stacking on it, but at least then fair. But as it is right now, I'm hunting for this stuff. And I figured I'm lonely and companies I brought you guys back in. Thanks for hanging. Oh, here's some robots. Maybe you're lucky. Could be the ones. No! Because if they were, we would get dialogue from Cloud and Tief saying we were. And the best part is neither anything inside of the next year. No matter the results or how the results, nothing.
Well, we make it easy for you this time.
Yeah. Meanwhile, what you get is a slight bump in your reputation. I don't even think you get another quest in this area. I think this is the last one. Well, you get one more quest. It's really sort of a quote-unquote loyalty quest with Tief, or relationship quest that we'll see when we see. And it's actually a fun little bit of character building for both of them. But I'm not sure there are any other quests, except for the chat and stuff. By the way, in a way needed. I'm making progress slowly but surely on the stagger one, but stagger needs abilities, no, haven't progressed on that in eons. And there was one early chapter quest that I never finished in both of my playthroughs, and that was it. I hope this is going to be so I have a feeling it will. Oh, I'm being shown, unless the marker gets the quest, which is of no help to any.
Let's end this quick.
Not a problem.
Wait a minute, but I also see the
Let's switch it up.
Let's go. It's on you.
Great. No escape. Yes.
Exactly. I just do that. I was 20 minutes like you get me. So you're still in the family.
Burn. You're good at this.
Told you so.
I know what to do next. I should start by finding all these extra even though like I said, I don't think it's something I can actually use. But here's a lot for it. Here's a lot for it. You want to open them? You do them. Oh, you can't!
You've even gone.
But the good news is, I wasn't called to do another shift to do a whole factory thing, but instead I'm going to call it, does anybody know Locksmith?
Nah, good one.
Somebody call the locksmith. Okay. And the other good news is, if I don't find the key this week, which I'm beginning to doubt, I'll go off recording until I find it, and then bring you back if I pause. Oh, I'm going in the wrong direction. It's that in my marker. It is though. By the way, very long. Get off from here.
Won't be tough.
Of course not.
Stop coming out.
So long. Need a breather.
All set.
Need to heal up.
You gotta carry your own weight.
Try this. It's over. You're good at this.
Told you so.
25 minutes.
Okay, so we can go like number 5 if you. You know, actually, remember, we approved before now. Actually, we probably set like, you know what? Alexa, 5-minute timer. Alexa, 5-minute timer. Rich, can you play the Alexa? Okay, cool. Walk.
You can tell her what to do. Oh wait, yes you can.
That's pretty much the exact same version.
You didn't need it.
Sometimes it feels like that big assumption. Like I'll ask for something and it'll say something completely different. And he's like trying to say, no, you really want this. I know what you want on your robot overlord.
Yeah.
Or overlay. There is this. No, we're not leaving the dungeon. I see that that's even an option. Actually, it doesn't need to be an option. What they should do is if you click on that, they should say, do you want to abandon the class?
You should definitely wrap his palm over there and rip stuff in and swing it through it.
If these people are looking at skin breakdown, we'll leave the problem. Not over there. By the way, this isn't drawing away. Were we all recording when we talked about the whole boredom thing? Was that
was off.
Okay. So yeah, we were thinking that maybe the reason they hide these cabins is to have it be too easy with free recording. But really, I don't think that's the case. But without some kind of side person, you get people banging their heads against the wall, and that creates boredom to the short. And in fact, that creates some sort of boredom. One takes with anger as a developer, not me, for being fundamentally unfair. I would like to say unless there's something like Dark Souls, but there's been 1,000 essays on how Dark Souls is actually a very, very fair, very well-timed game with the ability to choose your time on the fly. You can see the cool items, character building. And I realize this isn't really a Dark Souls conversation, but it's just, this is more a sign-driven conversation, and the fact that it needs to exist in acting. You think that mostly we can only need it in like almost complete adventures, possibly in narrative adventures, depending on how heavy the puzzle elements are there, or even in active puzzle games like Hogwarts Legacy. Also, the place we're going to the channel, by the way, in case it's the person you ran across. But it's also useful here, and that's just basically what I was saying before, or have it be, to bring it back into the Dark Souls conversation a little bit, have it be a different question. Like, have a hard mode where no time person people have a normal mode where here are the possible boxes, or here are the possible questions.
There's probably too many options. There's probably a lot of data taken up with just this video quality. And you can't have infinite options of difficulty. Like I want it hard mode except for signposting. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's true. I guess that's the point where.
And then if you had easy mode, it would be too easy. You know what I mean? It would be signposting plus, like it's super easy to do.
Yeah. I guess that really is the point where we consumers need to make choices. If we want the high fidelity graphics, or we find the pixel. Maybe we'll find people find the pixel. I guess those people are.
Well, what it does is it chases you to the cheats, right? To the fine top.
Yeah.
Instead of,
Oh yeah. Basically, every game does make a package guide. That is true.
yeah.
So you give them $60 to $70, and they won't more your money.
Right. We still think it's so hard to buy more stuff. But
If this is what you want.
And hey, rain me down.
Keep it together.
Let me handle this.
And got my alarm. Alexa, handle alarm, and I'm going to use these guys, find the key, and I'll bring it back to the
Bingo!
Thank you.